Running a transport or logistics operation usually means managing many moving parts at the same time. A lot of teams still rely on WhatsApp messages, spreadsheets, and phone calls just to keep track of loads, drivers, documents, and updates. It works, but it becomes harder to maintain as operations grow and more people get involved. A transport management system, or TMS, is software designed to bring more structure to these daily workflows. Different platforms offer different features, but most aim to organize tasks like trip planning, document handling, invoicing, customer and driver communication, and status updates. Instead of using multiple separate tools for every step of the job, a TMS helps put everything in one place. The purpose of a TMS is not to replace people. The goal is to reduce repetitive manual work and make the overall workflow easier to manage. Some systems emphasize visibility, some focus on automation, others prioritize clean documentation or reporting. Every operation has different needs, but the general idea behind a TMS is to support teams by keeping information organized and accessible. One thing many people do not realize is that some TMS companies also offer referral programs. These programs are optional, and the details depend entirely on the provider. In simple terms, if someone you refer becomes a paying customer, you may receive a commission based on the company's policy at that time. This is not guaranteed income, and it should not be viewed as a shortcut to making money. It is simply an opportunity that exists with certain software companies. People who already work with fleet owners, shippers, or brokers sometimes find this useful. They naturally talk to businesses that might eventually explore TMS tools for better trip tracking, simpler documentation, or more organized operations. If those businesses sign up through a referral link and later become paying customers, the referring person may qualify for a commission, depending on the official terms. This video does not recommend any specific software or tell you which platform to choose. But if you want to see how a modern TMS looks and works in real situations, I have included a link in the description to a platform you can explore on your own. It is a simple way to understand the structure of a TMS and get a sense of the features these tools commonly offer. If you decide to explore it, make sure to read the company's official terms about pricing, features, and referral policies. Those details will give you a clear picture of what to expect and whether the program makes sense for you. Understanding the basics of TMS software can make conversations with carriers, dispatchers, and customers much smoother. Whether you already manage trips or just want a cleaner way to handle documents and updates, it is useful to know what kinds of tools are available in the industry. You will find the link in the description if you would like to explore further. Thanks for watching.